Yes.
Hey, how are you?
Yes, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Right now, I'm in my village. Yesterday, I came here.
Okay. How was your morning?
Morning was very good.
Okay.
Right now, I am in my agriculture field. Today, we are removing cotton. That's why I am here.
Okay, you are removing cotton. Wow.
Yeah, we are removing cotton. Do you know cotton? It is cotton
Yeah,
plant.
I know. Actually, I haven't seen the form of cotton, and today I'm just yeah. See it. It is really
Before
nice to
you
see.
haven't seen, before you haven't seen this cotton field.
Yeah, like a cotton. I can say a cotton field. Yeah, I haven't seen. But yeah, I have seen some plant like randomly one or two plants, but not form
Uh,
cotton form.
we are cultivating cotton in the village. Today, we are removing this cotton. Why? Because before, when we are not removed, that time some thefts are stolen my cotton from my land.
Okay, okay,
Like,
that's nice.
we did a lot of hard work. Finally, these three fellows are stolen my cotton. We are feeling very guilty today.
Oh, why?
Why? Because we are thief. We are thief. We are theft my cotton.
Okay,
That's why we are unhappy because we did a hard work for this. Because when we are started cultivation that time to till now, we did a more
mm,
hard work. Like sometimes we are removed grass, sometimes we are provided some petty fertilizers, and sometimes we are provided some spray chemicals. We did a more hard work. Finally, some fellows theft my cotton. That's why we are feeling uncomfort and we are not feeling well because our work is mine, profit is
okay.
the fellows. It is right.
Oh, yeah. So basically, I think in your side, cotton plant is growing. So
Yeah, we
the
are.
soil is fertile for cotton plant.
Yeah, why we are cultivating cotton? Because these cotton plants need just small water source. They don't need more water. That's why we are
Okay.
cultivating.
Yeah, means
Yeah,
scarcity of what in your side.
come
Yeah,
again.
yeah. Due to few, I think not sufficient amount of water.
Yeah, yeah. Due to we don't have more water source. Just we have water, but we are depending on bore, pump bore.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and we don't have any river. We have little bit uh, lakes, not big rivers available. Just little bit lakes. If we
So
have
these are
if we have enough rain, that time we are cultivating rice.
rice plant.
And,
Right.
yeah, and other things. But otherwise, we are going to cultivate cotton and some other things. But nowadays, so many people they stopped another craft. Just they are cultivating cotton only because uh, it is easy to cultivate. In my side, they are habited for cotton. To be honest.
Good, good. It's also a crucial part of our country. Cotton. Many things have been made by cotton. So it is
Yeah,
really very important.
yeah, yeah. You are right because nowadays we are wearing shirt and we are wearing good clothes. These all made with cotton, but we don't
These
know. We are wearing good clothes. We are wearing different kind of clothes. We don't know how to make this, but we want to know something. We are wearing with this all things with cotton like this.
Yeah, this is also an essential part of these
Hmm.
things.
Yeah, it is raw material for our clothes.
Yeah, right. All right. Yeah, and it also looks awesome. Really, so gorgeous.
Yeah, like it is one
Like a
flower.
snow,
Like
just like a snow, and I can't describe it in within a few words. It is really so white, like a snow, and falling down on the earth.
are you happy to see this?
Yeah, actually, I'm so happy.
I think you are never expected. Today we are going to discuss about cotton field like that. I'm right?
Yeah, I never expected because it was, I think it didn't occur in my mind that yeah, one day I will have the discussion about cotton. But this is really yeah, so take asterisk
I,
for this.
I think you are expected. Kashi will give some topic and we are going to discuss some etc like that. But unfortunately, today we are discussing about cotton field and
No, it is really it's also a good way to talk because if we have different if we have already topic then it is okay, but if we don't have topic we just start to talk any randomly anything about other things, so that's also good. I'm so happy
yeah, yeah.
to explore
Because,
your.
nowadays, I'm making conversation with someone always randomly because I'm not creating any topic. Just I'm talking random, and that time I'm making some questions, and they are also giving answer. We are discussing more things sometimes, but I also never expected today. Today I'm going to show my cotton field with my friend like that. But maybe it is God grace. I think.
It is really really good. We are
Mm, yeah.
so say and tell me something more about the field, about the cotton, and how you are growing it, and the form, and what the procedure, how long time it will take.
Yeah, when we are started our cultivation, that time to till now, it will take 6 months time.
Okay.
6 months ago, we are started cultivation. That time we did a cultivation. We did a cultivation with tractor, and we draw some lines. I can show how we draw lines.
Okay.
Like it is one. Sorry. Yeah, it is one line. This is one line. There is
Okay.
one line. There is one line like this. When we cultivated, after that we want to draw some lines with tractor, and after then we want to put seeds on that line. Then after we want to provide some fertilizers. Then uh, plants will grow up. When plants will grow up, that time grass is also improving. We want to remove that grass, unnecessary grass,
Yeah,
and
unnecessary.
we want to remove that unnecessary grass. When we are remove that grass, the time plant will grow very fast like this. In
Yeah,
this
yeah.
in this six
Un-
months, we want to do.
Unnecessary things, I think, restrict the growth.
Yeah, like this. Today it is unnecessary grass.
Gosh, okay. These are unnecessary weeds. So it means you are growing it in a row.
Yeah. No, it is not rope. It is totally land.
In a land you have to make row and cultivate it.
We want to make row, and we are cultivation. Uh, right now, it is already completed 6 months. That's why cotton is ready to remove cut. We are cutting cotton. We there, like how we are cutting. I will show how we are cutting. How we
Yeah.
are going to remove cotton like this. It is we want to remove cotton like this. I will show clear. Yeah. Do you observe? Are you observing?
Yeah, I'm observing.
Yeah. I removed cotton.
Oh,
Yeah. Like this way, we want to remove cotton.
wow.
Hmm.
It's really a new experience that I got today. Yeah,
Because
really. Because yeah,
it
I
is
have seen the wheat plant, wheat crop, and the rice paddy crop, and I can say mustard crop, some other sunflower, but not this cotton crop. So
in the
today I
past
have.
we are also cultivated that all things, but nowadays we are not cultivating because lack of water. See how enough water we are cultivate that because and as well as we have no more land is also we have just 1 or 2 acres land. That's why we are not cultivating. We have so many thoughts in our mind. We can do anything, but lack of land and lack of water, we are not cultivating nowadays.
Okay, okay.
Mhm.
It is all whatever you are doing and cultivating in your farm. It's all thing are awesome, and it is also you know it's a playing, I think, important role in society. So it's
Of
all
course,
also necessary to grow.
yeah, of course, it is important, but to be honest, nobody can giving any value for farmers. That's why,
You know, uh, nobody say that nobody can giving. They are giving, and they should give if they are not giving. Because whatever nowadays, not nowadays, always, whatever you are doing and you are able to do only because of farmer, they are growing. Many things. They are your. I can say everything, because if you don't take food, you don't take the grains, whatever provided by the farmer, how could you survive? So it is very necessary. It's a
yes,
not necessary. It is just a part of life.
yes,
Everything.
yes,
How
yes,
how much important the other thing, this is as with equivalently, I can say it's also important. So there is no match for farmers. But yes, unfortunately, I can say in India somewhere underestimating the power of farmer. And
yes. Because do you know we can do any work? We are son of farmer. We can do, but we are trying to try to do farming work. Nobody can we give value. Oh, is education person is doing farmer work like that. That's why many people they are going to stop farming. When we are stopping this, maybe in future we don't see any farmer because nowadays all people are studying and they are trying to do job in cities. Who is going to cultivate land like that? Because right now who are available, they are going to hold people. Next generation we can't learn cultivation and farming.
and I can understand what you want to deliver. You know, but we can't deny this. This is a fact that farming and doing, you know, crop work and farm work. So these are the exceptional things that no most of the people can't do this. So by the God grace, who people are doing this, and uh, and and people nowadays are also aware the many fact about that. Even farming is started by some technical way. So
Hmm.
why not? It will grow in the future as well. Uh, so, if it stop, then our life will stop as well. It will grow, and always it will grow. Uh, so the way, maybe the way will change somewhere, and but India is always be famous for farming, so it will be
Yes,
going along.
yes, yeah. India is
Yeah.
a famous for farming. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, that's a really, today was a fabulous conversation with you, which I expected, and I also have seen many things about. So thank you connecting here.